Hello, I am Dr. Deevish, plastic surgeon from Bangalore. One of the most important concerns patients have before undergoing gynecomastia treatment is recovery. Almost every patient asks me, Doctor, how many days will it take to recover? When can I go back to work? When can I go back to gym? In this video, I'll explain the recovery process step by step so that you know what to expect. Immediately after the procedure, patients are observed for a couple of hours. So patients are made comfortable. There are some tightness in the chest which may be felt. This is expected. So this happens because the body has undergone a procedure and supportive care is provided during this phase. So many patients are able to go home after observation depending upon individual circumstances. During the first few days, mild discomfort may be present. This discomfort is usually manageable. Patients may feel mild tightness and may even feel a little bit heavy in the chest area. So this gradually improves. So a compression garment is used during this phase, which helps in healing and also helps maintain a chest contour. This garment is an important part of recovery. Patients are able to move around and perform light activities during this time. During the first 1 to 2 weeks, the healing continues. The swelling gradually reduces and patients progressively return to routine activities. Most patients are able to resume work depending upon the nature of their job. Patients with desk job usually resume earlier and healing varies between individuals. It is important to follow a proper guidance given by your surgeon. During this phase, the chest contour continues to improve and the body adapts to the changes. The swelling continues to reduce and the chest begins to feel more natural. The patients gradually return to full activities based on the medical guidance, and the recovery is progressive. Here, patience is important. The final contour develops gradually. The body continues to heal and the results become more apparent over time. So each patient heals differently and following instructions helps to maintain recovery. If you are considering treatment and want to understand recovery in your specific case, consult a qualified plastic surgeon. And proper guidance helps ensure safety, recovery and optimal results. If you are from Bangalore, feel free to book a free online consultation using the link below.